Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Obsa Rewind. And today I'm going to tell you the 5 things that you need to know that have been going on with the organization and other business related events with the school. So the first thing, we're in the second week of the Obsa MarketWatch. I encourage everybody to play. It's a lot of fun, and we do have prizes for the top 3 traders this semester. So right now, Christy is in first place with 8 trades. So definitely join, make some trades, and try to take first place yourself. The second thing you need to know is there's an event called Seeking a Job, Tips for Conducting Your Job Search. That's on Thursday, March 25th from 12 p.m. noon to 1 p.m. Arizona time. So I'll send out an email. Everybody check your inbox. That'll have registration details there. The third thing you need to know is that we still have VP positions open. So if you want to be more involved with the organization, kind of build out your resume and just differentiate yourself from other candidates applying to jobs, definitely apply for one of our VP positions. Definitely VP events, we are really in need of. VP of membership, we're really in need of. And VP of anything you can think of. If you think you can provide value, as always, just let us know and we'll create a VP position just for you. The fourth thing you need to know, we have an interview workshop with the company Paychex coming up on March 29th. I have to redetermine what time that's going to be, most likely 5 to 7 p.m. Arizona time. But definitely come out for that. They'll be doing mock interviews, interview tips, presentation, and interviews. It's so valuable to have the information because you go through interview after interview and never get feedback on why you didn't get the job. So this is a great opportunity to learn maybe what you're doing wrong in your past and current interviews. And the fifth thing that you need to know is we have a collaboration event coming up with the Association of Human Communication and the Career Center on April 14th at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. So the first 30 minutes is going to be a presentation from the Career Center, and the next 30 minutes of that hour is going to be a networking mixer event. So you'll get to meet a lot of other people in the business school and maybe even some other schools at ASU. And you'll just be building that professional network, meeting like-minded individuals, and you never know when those connections are going to help you along the way. Sometimes it's just who you know that will get your foot in the door. All right, that's it for today on OBSA Rewind. Those are the 5 things you need to know for the week. Have a great day.